Hello! To set photo as a wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to press and hold your home screen, then you have to press Wallpaper and Style, and right here you press Change Wallpapers. From here you have your gallery, you can choose pictures from your gallery, and you simply just select any picture that you wish to have on your wallpaper, you press Done, and right here you have a peer review. No, actually, here you select if you want your wallpaper to be on home screen or on the lock screen. Then you press Next. Right here you have a peer review of how it would look like on your lock screen right here, and here you can change it to take a look at your home screen. If you don't like your wallpaper, you can change it by pressing Wallpapers right here, and if you like it, you simply just press Done. That's simple as that. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.